this is the TAKISAWA YUASA 14x40 engine lathe. It's got a D16 cam lock spindle, 5C collar closer, there's a steady rest in there, travidile. He's feeding it longitudinally. Feed across, Angel. Feeding cross. There's the brake, foot brake. He's changing the speed range from the high to low. That's the low range. He's got it up at, I think, about, what, 1800 or 1200? 1200 RPM. Let's try the threading. That'll be it. It's got the lead screw turning. Gauge the half nut, and we're threading. So you saw it thread, feed, cross. Oh, by the way, it's got an Albright chuck in the tail sock there, and you can see he's moving that quite smoothly. And that's about it. Thank you for watching the video.